I didn't crash my shit. I wonder why I still have it. And I realize it's for this. Stuff that I'm afraid to try on with my GoPro. It's like the guinea pig. Like, I'm afraid to put my GoPro Fusion on the end of this. I think it's going to be a little wobbly. I'm considering getting another one here, having both arms connect with the triple and then come up. But I think the further forward I get this, the better that the view will be. So instead of trying it with the GoPro, because I love the GoPro too much, I'm going to sacrifice, well, not sacrifice, but risk the 360, which hopefully has a battery because I haven't used it in a while. And it has battery, and it has space. And if you notice, I have these little pieces of tape everywhere. You know what they're for? I cover the mic holes. I do that on the Fusion too, if I'm specifically going for a ride. Although most of the time I cut the audio out, so lately I haven't. But if I cover the holes, the wind noise is gone. It just sounds good. So today's test: jousting with the Fusion, with a Gear 360, and there'll be no stabilization because it don't have any. And let's record. Ooh. It's a little bouncy, but like I said, the footage for this won't be great. I'm sure it's going to be too bouncy because there's no stabilization like the GoPro Fusion has. What I'm basically really testing is the monopod, the selfie stick. I don't know how well it's made, and to be honest with you, for 20 bucks I could almost break it open to see. You know what I mean? Like, screw it down and just, I love it. And I would buy another one if something happened to it. So far, there's been no signs of the base loosening up, but every other one I've had has. My stepson, Anthony, the Guiz, he has welding skills. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 of those screw-on ram balls and have him, or whatever, 2 ram balls, and have him weld them to the end of a straight rod. You know, something about as long as the stick is now, something that I know isn't going to break, that at worst scenario it just kind of tilts down when I get home. And I think that'll be the solution